This is meteorologist Dan Baumgart with an update on the winter storm that's heading for the area. We expect the region to be hit with an accumulating snowfall, in fact, heavy snowfall across parts of Iowa, northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin overnight tonight. The snow is going to move in during the afternoon hours and early evening from west to east. So there are winter storm warnings for much of this area that's highlighted in pink, and a winter weather advisory is in effect for areas in blue. Right now, looking at radar around 11 a.m., there was a heavy snow band that extended from Sioux Falls to about north of Des Moines through central Iowa. Looking at some snowplow pictures for that area, you can see that there's slippery roads, snow-covered roads in northwestern Iowa. And as you look towards north of Des Moines, Iowa, and central Iowa on Interstate 35. Again, snow is already covering the roads in that area, and that weather was all moving eastward. In fact, we did get a social media tweet from someone in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, that reported 8 inches of snow on the ground now there from this storm system. So the snow start times, you can see parts of northeast Iowa will get into it by early afternoon today. That will move into southeast Minnesota and southwestern Wisconsin by mid-afternoon, and by early evening, much of the area south of I-90 will have snow falling. So in summary here, we're looking for anywhere from 6 or more inches. Looks like we could see these totals increase. We're reassessing those now, possibly up over 10 inches in this southernmost area. Most of the accumulation we think will move south of I-90 for the overnight hours from this storm system. Again, the biggest impact will be Iowa and southwestern Wisconsin for this storm and points south. Therefore, there's the winter storm warning area in pink. That is where we expect hazardous travel by evening to be through much of that area, and the heavy snow to continue overnight. In the blue area, expect lighter snowfall amounts, but still will make for some slippery conditions. Roads will deteriorate quickly after that snow starts into the later afternoon and early evening. So some summary points: northeast Iowa and southwest Wisconsin will be the hardest hit, and we are reassessing those snow totals still this afternoon. Expect the travel impacts to begin as soon as that snow starts to fall at a heavier clip. It will stick on roads even though it's been warm out. And for many, that's the first driving. This will be the first driving of in snowfall for the season, so take it easy, slow down, allow extra time. And for you deer hunters that have to travel to your deer stands by car in the morning, expect to have accumulating snow. The plows may not be out until daylight, so you might want to allow some extra time. Overnight, expect hazardous travel anywhere south of I-90, especially further south of I-90.